Hey, I'm here. They cut this tree down today. That's where it was. And here's where it is.
What you doing, nature boy?
See where the tree is now? And I'm walking down the tree. See it? It was probably 60 or 70 years old. But they didn't give a fuck, motherfuckers. Fuck them, cutting down motherfucking trees. What was the reason for cutting down this motherfucking tree, man? This is bull fucking shit, if you ask me. I just, you know, they're gonna cut down him next. Cut down him next. Him next, him next, him next. Why did it? Shut the fuck up, Cookie. You bitch ass son of a cock. Anyway. This tree.
Such language from an angry beard.
This tree. This tree is me. This tree is me. They've cut me down.
That's correct. Such language from an angry beard.
Bitch ass, cock sucking faggot. Look at him. That's him. He's my friend. This tree getting cut down is fucking bullshit. And whoever did it can suck my fucking cock. Fuck you. Kiss my ass. You cocksucking motherfucking son of a bitch. Kiss my fucking dick licking ass. No, I don't lick dicks. Fucking bugs. Kiss my fucking taint. Kiss my fucking gooch, motherfuckers. Kiss my gooch after I fucking worked all fucking day and got hot and sweaty. Kiss my fucking gooch. Alright, peace.